Ivan, is there any way to mod You Probably Won't Survive? No question mark. Okay, so the guy who made this game is called Bad Game Dev, and that sounds just fantastic, so let's actually try it. You Probably Won't Survive is an exe file. It has a .win file, so this is, how do you call it, a GameMaker game. I use Undertale mod tool to rip files from that. But I don't know if I can do code modifications. I don't know if anybody can do code modifications in GameMaker stuff. This kind of looks like you might. Yeah, I mean, this says collision. What happens when you collide? Can I just edit this? Here, let me increase wood by a bunch. Yeah, it did say that. Sapling, let me just get a lot of saplings, a lot of stone. What's this? If less than 100, add random. Yeah, this is also plus now. So I think enemies will now heal me. I don't know if this is what you mean by modding, like just basically cheat yourself to invincibility. Too much. Okay, key press, never mind. Don't really care about that. Okay, you can probably find other stuff here. I'm just gonna make a backup by control click drag. So this is the original. And as for this, can I just save it? Yeah, okay. Let's close it. Yeah. So Undertale mod tool is on GitHub, but they also have a Discord here. Oh, but actually you don't have to go to the Discord anymore to get the latest, so they have bleeding edge releases now. So you just get it from here. What? So much. Okay, we don't want command line, we want GUI, we want graphic user interface. Okay, this is confusing. I'm assuming we want the one that is single file. I'm downloading both and we will compare them in a second. Single file, okay. Not single file contains a bunch of and who needs translations anyway? And then is single file true? What? This is not a single file. We have all these in here. Less files. Less files. It's definitely less files. So I guess get the single file version. Okay, so I'm gonna replace this with the latest. Darn, I hope I didn't accidentally delete some script files I like to use. Whoops. And then I assigned this file type to this exe. Do I have to teach you that? I'm not going to teach you that. Let's see if it still works. No, because I changed the folder. Okay, let's go to the code and check if I broke everything. Looks good. Let's play the gum. Oh, whatever. You probably won't survive. Okay, as you can see, I already have immense amounts of resources because I'm a dirty little cheater. Or I'm a fantastic and interesting modder. Maybe that's what I am. But the question is this modding or is this just cheating? You decide! Also, I learned today that you can actually frigging modify the code of GameMaker games. That's frigging amazing, I think. Hopefully, because of this video, developers will not go starting to try to make that impossible. Alright, the heck? So I guess the problem is that I'm adding health even though I have maximum health, so I don't know. That might be the problem. That might be the... I just activate... What the... Where did they go? Is it because it's now daytime? Or did I die? Anyways, I just activated a consta clicking script, which I now activated, so I don't have to torture my mouse, because these, Logitech mice, they just have a set amount of left clicks until the switch breaks intentionally. At least that's a conspiracy theory I want to believe in. So consta clicker helps you keep your mouse alive. So yeah, apparently there is no limit on the speed how you click, so you can just use auto hotkey to constantly click. I guess I will link to a auto hotkey basic tutorial in the description of this video if I have one. I probably have one somewhere. Hello? Man, hitting these guys is hard though. Oh yeah, pistol, or whatever that gun is, but of course that... Does this have infinite ammo? I guess it does. Can I shoot trees? No. So, and eventually maybe I build these. But I'm not even sure if this is the game, the game I was asked about, but hopefully this clarifies now how you can, air quotes, mod, air quotes. You probably won't survive, and I know that this was the best video you've ever seen this year. So you know what you have to do. Until next time, ciao.